Well, okay. So, yesterday we were finishing up this last sale here. We completed the entire sales. We posted it to the ledger. So, let me take a look at that. Yes, we posted it to the ledger. Okay. We updated our inventory, and now we have only one last thing left to do, which is to make our deposit. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue from here and get started. All right, so how much money do I need to deposit?
You need to deposit the 99.54 and the 26.36.49.
All right, hold on.
That's not right.
Okay, so
Am I? Wait a minute. That was.
We had to deposit 2,128.
yeah, we haven't deposited yet. We haven't even recorded it yet. So here's our cash right here, and now we need to deposit this money. So how much am I depositing total in the bank? So I received a check from Corner Bookstore, or yes, from Corner Bookstore.
Let's see.
2781.
2781 and 99 cents.
Hello?
Hello? Can you guys hear me?
I don't hear anything.
Lynette? Try exiting. Actually, shoot, you can't hear anything. Continue. Okay, so we deposited the 2781 and 99 cents. All right. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead, go back to our general journal. Okay. And let's finish off the rest of the new day. Or let's get started with the 26th of June. So what has happened here?
We received from Atlas Coffee Importers with invoice 370,
Okay.
regular and Supreme coffee, a total of 250 pounds, with a cost of 370-350, term of 1%, 15 net 30.
Okay.
Okay, so with that, go with the general ledger. General journal.
All right.
Go to the purchase order first.
Purchase order first. Okay, good. We need to make sure that we
Um,
acknowledge that we.
invoice.
So we have two of them. Which one is it going to be?
Invoice 370.
Invoice 370, 317.
70.
For which one?
370.
For which purchase order?
Wait,
170,
Okay, so
313.
On the 24th one.
24. Okay, so Atlas Coffee for 372. Good. So 370. Okay, so we received it. Good. All right, so now we can go ahead and make a note. So what are we gonna do here?
General Journal, regular coffee, debit. And then same thing with the regular, Supreme Coffee, I should say, debit. Credit account payable. So with the regular coffee, I'm sorry,
That's fine.
with the regular coffee, I would keep on saying account number or
That's fine.
COA 12020,
It is account number.
12040, 2000, 20,000. On the debit side, on the regular coffee would be 173.50, 200 for the Supreme Coffee, credit total cost 372.50.
Good.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Underneath would be description, Atlas Coffee importers, invoice 370. Term 1%, 15, net 30.
What was it? 1%, 15 and 30?
30. Yeah, 15, 30.
Okay.
Because I have the PO, purchase order in the second step after putting that down. Either way. So at any rate, general ledger. Go to asset. And the regular coffee. The 26, 326. Purchase.
Hold on. I think I turned off my number lock. All right. 6.
26. Purchase 125 pounds.
Oh, purchase. Okay.
That's on the Tuesday 15. Are we on the 15th still? I'm sorry, yeah.
Let's check. I'll be on the 15.
Still 15.
Okay, so GJ 15.
Debit 172.50. One five 158.68 plus 172.50. Total of 331.18.
33118. Good.
Then we can go down to the Supreme Coffee. It's 26. is 125 pounds. DJ 15 at the cost of 200. Debit. Total of 425.53. Liability. Accounts payable. Invoice 370. 315. Credit 372.50.
372,
Yeah, 0.50.
making our new grand total to be 3264.70. Okay.
Subsidiary.
Subsidiary. Okay.
And vendor. Acct copy.
Is this them? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so 626.
250 pounds coffee. Invoice 370. The same, the
Mm-hmm.
same term, the same term as above. The due date, there you go again. 15 days from the 6th. That would be the 9th, no, 26, I'm sorry.
26.
4, 5, June 5. July 5, I should say. July
This is the 26th. Oh, let me fix the date real quick.
I got July 11 for the discount date.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks.
And then
Then July 26.
26th.
good.
372.50 for the invoice amount.
So
Payable.
good. So therefore, we haven't paid them at all. We know that the 27th of June is going to be one of our discount dates. If not, then we pay on the 12th of July. All right. What's next?
Inventory.
Inventory.
It's 26 on the regular. We received 125 pounds.
Oh, wrong side.
Cost of 1.38 per pound. Making it 172.50.
Okay.
Since the freight is going to be calculated differently, then we'll just leave that blank for the meantime.
Okay.
So, Supreme Coffee. We received 125 pounds at 160, 200.
Okay. Good.
So we can go back to the journal
Okay.
for the freight.
For the freight.
Go ahead, guys. Go ahead, guys. Next, whoever wants to.
So the next situation is, we said freight. Let me come back here. We're on the 26th. Okay, we're gonna do regular coffee, supreme coffee, and checking. Regular coffee, supreme coffee, debit. Checking is going to be credit.
Oh, one up one. Checking. Okay.
Let's see, for freight, it's going to be, for regular coffee, $31.25 to $31.25. Supreme coffee is going to be $31.25. Checking is going to be $62.50.
62.50.
Freight line invoice for the description. And it's invoice 672.
672.
COD.
COD.
And then we're going to go to the journal.
We
The
are
as-
in the journal.
My apologies, the ledger.
What else do we need to have in here? How did we pay?
To the check, we paid, check.
Oh, we need the
Yes.
check number. Check number. And we need to go to the register.
Mm-hmm.
We're already 25.
For how much?
$62.50.
And to who?
Right.
Okay. So 1525 is our check number.
Now we go to the ledger.
Mm-hmm.
And we go to regular coffee. We put in freight. GJ 15. 31.25. And 362.43.
362.43. Okay.
Then we'll go to Supreme Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And we do the exact same thing. Freight. GJ 15. 31.25. Debit. It should be 456.77.
456.77. Good.
Then we go to checking. Checking, we put in freight line invoice 672. Check 1525. COD. GJ 15. Credit 62.50. Total should be $1,016.38.
Okay.
And then we go to the subsidiary ledger. And we're under vendors, under freight line. Where are you? 250 pounds of coffee. Check number 1525. Invoice 672. GJ 15. COD. Payment 62. Invoice amount 6250. Payment 6250. Should come up to 0.
Good.
And that should be all for that.
We have to
Oh, mine's going to the inventory.
Good.
update inventory.
Yes. Update your inventory. All right, so here's your regular coffee.
So with the inventory, 3125. The total should be $203.75.
204.
$203.75.
Good. Good.
The cost per item, $1.63.
Okay, so which method are we using for regular coffee?
Using average.
Yes.
Moving average.
Yes. So.
We're adding the 97 with the 125.
So adding this plus 125. 222.25. Yeah. $362.43.
$362.43.
Yes.
Perfect.
And we'll move to Supreme Coffee. Why is it so much? What is it? 626. Okay. So then we'll go to quantity, 125, get a 3125. Should be, total should be $231.25. Average per cost is $1.85.
Good.
And then it should be the total should be $231.25. Oh, we're adding 125 to the inventory on hand.
Into the yes.
125 net.
Yep. Fat fingers.
Cost 185. Why do you have one? Why is it 186?
185. It's 185.
Then you have one. Okay.
Let's see. It's
You gotta go one
2.
down.
Wrong. That's
One column
Oh,
down.
okay. Yeah. You're right. One more down.
185. $231.25.
There you go. Okay, bringing us a grand total of
45677.
yes, and we know that for sure because we have that in our inventory on the general ledger. Good.
Okay, someone can go next.
Who wants to record the coffee cups? Anybody? Anybody want to give a try?
This is ridiculous. June 26th,
June 26th.
purchase expense.
Purchase expense.
Mm-hmm. Freight expense. Accounts payable.
Accounts payable.
$61,000 for freight, for purchase expense.
Oops. 61, 1, 2, 3.
$6,300 for freight. And then we have $250 for purchase, $100 for freight, $350 for accounts payable. Excuse me. All things ceramic,
All things ceramic.
invoice 170. And then we can do returns 110 net 30. And we can go to the ledger.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, the purchase order.
Yes, good.
Thank you, Tennyson.
Purchase order. So here for 250 was invoice number 170. Oh, go back to my general journal. Go to your ledger. So what comes first? Purchase expense.
Hold on a second. Under expense, recording. Okay, so we have purchase expense. Okay. So it is the date. You have 100 ceramic mugs. GJ 15. You could just put coffee mugs, Glenn,
Oh, yeah, you're right. Duh.
just to keep yours consistent.
I've been putting mine just mugs.
All right, general journal 15,
15, 250.
250,
Should come to 841.20.
841.20. Okay, good.
You go to freight.
Freight.
Go ahead and put 100 coffee mugs. GJ 15, 100. Debit should be 400. Go to liabilities. Accounts payable.
Oop, let me make sure this is accounts payable. Yes, okay.
Invoice 170. GJ 15. Credit 350. Total should be 3614.70.
3614.70. Good.
Then we need to go to all things ceramic in the subsidiary ledger. 100 coffee mugs. Invoice 170. GJ 15. The terms, same as above. Then it's discount date July 6th. Due date July 26th.
No. July 26th.
Invoice amount $350. Accounts payable $350, and it should come to $1,118.96.
Good. All right.
Then we need to go to inventory. Quantity 100. 250 per unit. Purchase 250.
Mm-hmm.
Freight 100. Total 350.
Total 350.
And let's see that 350.
350. Good.
Okay, now I'm bowing out. Somebody's gonna have to step up because this is ridiculous.
Yep. Yeah, so I was gonna say I'm gonna call names. So let me see who else is in the class. How about Nora? You wanna give it a try, Nora? I know you're there.
I'm here. I just don't know if I'm just listening because I'm not sure if I
That's okay.
have the whole process.
You have other students in the classroom to help you out. So if you're stuck, I'm also here to guide you as well. So here, so we finished our updating our inventory for ceramic coffee mugs. So now we have daily sales. All right. Usually these are cash sales.
Okay.
Okay.
So June 26th, we have.
Okay. Hold on. Before we start anything, we don't have enough room in our journal. So we need to draw a line and then move on to the next page of the journal. All right. We want to make sure that no one can squeeze in a transaction here. So I'm going to draw a line between here and here. Okay, so we're going to start on this page 16 on your journal. All right? So go ahead.
Okay, so it's sales, medium cup. Oh wait. Regular coffee and supreme coffee. Is that how we separate them?
Yes, but how are we going to journalize our sales? Are we going to credit them, debit them?
Debit them.
Why debit?
I don't know, because we sold them.
Okay, so what is sales? What type of account is sales?
Okay. I don't know. What do you mean?
What type of account is sales? There's only 5 type of accounts. Where does it belong to? Is it an asset, liability, revenue?
It's an asset.
Sales is not an asset.
Revenue?
It's a revenue, and normally revenues are increased by I didn't catch that. Sorry, what did you say?
Credit.
Yes, it's credit for sure. So we're going to break down each one. So this is medium regular coffee, large regular coffee, medium supreme coffee, and large supreme coffee. And then we have our ceramic coffee mugs. All right. What did we receive here? How did we get paid?
Cash.
Cash. Okay. So where am I going to place the cash?
Mm,
Where am I going to put the cash?
I don't know, somebody.
Nor are you gonna put it in checking?
Okay, so are we increasing our cash or are we decreasing our cash? We made a sale, right? So we're collecting cash. Are we increasing or are we decreasing?
We're increasing.
Yeah, we're going to increase it, right? That means we're going to debit our account. Okay. So how much are we going to debit our account for? How much cash did we actually receive?
The total sales.
2736.81.
At 2736.81. Good. So again, now that we're going to break down every single sale. So we have sales, medium, regular coffee. What else do we have?
Large regular coffee.
Large regular coffee. And what else?
Medium supreme coffee.
Medium supreme coffee. What else?
And large supreme coffee.
We have one more thing. What else did we sell?
The coffee mugs.
Ceramic coffee mugs. Right? Last account here is what do we normally charge when we sell something in the store?
Tax.
Yes, sales tax. Okay. All right, I've already done the calculation for you, so you don't have to do anything. So how much medium regular coffee did I sell?
511.43.
Regular large coffee.
590. And the large 598.
Good. What about supreme medium?
647.40.
Good. And the large supreme
694.51.
and the coffee mugs?
76.89.
And then lastly, how much tax did I charge?
$208.58.
Good. And I'm gonna double check that I typed in everything correctly. Okay, 273681, 273681 is correct. Okay. And then what kind of note would you place here? What happened here?
It's a daily sale.
Daily in-store sale. Okay. Okay. And what are my account numbers? Use your chart of accounts.
I don't have it on me right now.
All right. So Lynette,
Yeah,
Adina, or whatever, whoever can help out. What are the account numbers?
4300,
40300
4350,
4350.
4450,
Give me a second. 4450.
4500,
Oh, my four is not working. 500. Good.
4150.
And tax.
Ooh, I don't have that. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Tax. That's where I always get confused of. So,
Tax is, hold on a second, I got you.
Is it 27,000? 27,000. Thank you, Vina.
sorry about that.
Okay. So there you go. That's how you journalize and you properly place it into the journal. Okay, so now Nora, where do I go next?
Mm,
What's step 4 in the accounting cycle?
General ledger.
General ledger. Good. Good job. Okay. So I'm just going to post everything as I see in my journal. So checking. All right. I had sales. All right. How much did I debit my account for?
For 2736.81.
2736A1, bringing up my grand total to be $3,753.19. All right. So what's next? What's my next account?
Revenues.
Revenues. Good. Oh, revenues. I'm going to go to. Where am I going?
All of those.
All right. Which one comes first? Which one's the top one on the list?
Medium regular coffee.
Medium regular coffee. Good. So how many cups did I actually sell? I'll go ahead and flash the. How many?
257.
257. Good. So here's the date. 26. 257 cups. All right. General journal number 15. How much did those cups cost me to sell? How much was my grand total of selling 257 cups?
511.43.
511.43. All right. Can one of you guys do the calculations? What's my total?
33, 25, 29.
3,325.29. Good. All right. So Then moving on to large regular coffee. How many cups did I sell, Nora?
200.
200. Good. 626, 200 cups. General Journal 15. And how much did it cost me for those 200 cups?
$5.98.
$5.98 even. Good. All right, bringing my total cost to be
$4,069.39.
okay, good. All right. What about the medium supreme coffee? How many cups did I sell?
260.
260. So 626, 626, 260 cups. General Journal 15. So, how much was the total of my 260 cups?
Six. Wait, where are we?
We're at medium
647.40.
647.40, giving me a grand total of
4716.79.
I did not get that.
No. Okay, so 4230.51.
Yes, Nora. All right, come on, we're almost done. Large, how many cups did I sell?
Um, 199.
We sold 199, so it's 26, 199 cups. Right, General Journal 15. And how much did it cost me to sell 199 cups?
684.51.
69451. Okay, giving me a grand total of
Somebody. There you go.
4655.66. Okay, and then let me see. We have to do the ceramic coffee mugs. Here's the ceramic coffee mugs. How many ceramic coffee mugs did I sell?
11.
We sold 11. Okay, so 626, 11 mugs. Okay, General Journal number 15. And how much did it cost me to sell 11 coffee mugs?
76.89.
76.89. Bringing my grand total to be
1,035.27.
good. All right. Lastly, we have our sales tax in our liabilities. Here's my sales tax. General Journal number 15. How much tax did I charge?
$208.58.
208.58, giving me a grand total of
1237.69.
good. All right. And that is it. Good job, Nora. All right. So, what has happened next? That we've updated our journal, we've updated our ledger. So, what is next?
A record inventory?
Mm-hmm.
Or, yeah.
If you want to do it, you can do it. All right, so how many pounds of regular coffee and how many pounds of Supreme coffee did we use in the store?
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, Nora.
Go ahead.
You can do it. You can do it, Nora.
I just lost I couldn't hear
Oh, okay. How about now? Can you hear
you
us
for a
now?
minute. I didn't know what you asked.
Oh,
I
okay.
lost connection for a bit.
No worries. I could hear it on your end too. How many pounds of regular coffee did we use?
40 pounds
We used 40 pounds.
of
So
regular and
good. So here I'm going to go to regular coffee. All right. If we used 40 pounds, where are we going to place the information? Are we going to be in the cost of goods sold section, the purchases, or the inventory on hand?
cost of goods sold.
Cost of goods sold. So it was 40 pounds we used, right? How much did it cost me per unit to use for the coffee? What's my cost per unit?
Not sure. 1.60 something.
1.63. Okay. So what is my total amount that I used?
$65.22.
65. Good. 65.22.9 makes it 2023. Okay. So how do I update my inventory? How do I update my inventory on hand?
So we decrease the amount we sold.
So if I started out with 225, I'm 222.25 and I sold or used 40 of them, how much should I have left remaining?
182.25.
182.25. Good. Right? And if I started with $362.43 and I used up 65.23, how much should I have left?
180.18.
Try again.
Or
So 362.43 and I used up $65.23.
oh, 297.17.
Yeah, 297. Okay, I got 297.20. 23 my 43 minus 23 gives you 20 cents. I think you forgot one of the threes. Okay? So what is my new average cost per item?
$14.95. No, wait. 163.07.
Yes. Right? So let's go ahead and move on to Supreme Coffee. All right. So for Supreme Coffee, how many pounds did I use? I'll give you a flash. Here you go.
41.50.
41 and a half. So 41.5. Now, what costing method am I using for Supreme Coffee?
FIFO.
FIFO.
First in, first out. Yes.
So then, out of these batches right here, which one am I going to sell out first?
Out of which ones? Out of
If you're looking on the right side of my screen, I have inventory on hand. I have a total of 5 batches. Which one's going to be sold first? Which one do I even have left?
the first one.
The
One.
What's the cost per item?
180.
I don't have any left in 180.
182. No, wait. You still have some of those.
We still
Then,
have.
I don't know.
Go ahead.
186.
186. We have 186 remaining. That's the first batch that we have left. So we're going to use that batch to calculate our 41 and a half pounds. So 186. So how much did it cost me to use 41 and a half pounds?
$77.19.
77.19. Good. All right. So now we have to update our inventory. So we used 41 and a half pounds. Okay. If we started off with 121.25 and we got rid of 41 and a half, what do we have left?
79.75.
Okay, hold on. Good, 79.75. And what is 22552? Subtract your 77.19.
145.77. Or 148.33.
Yes. I don't know. Okay, so you're
I don't know what happened there.
okay. So yes. So that means we should have a total of $379.58 in our inventory. Okay? Good. So now that we solved for the cost of goods sold, right? We have 77.19 for Supreme and we have 65.23 for the regular. How are we going to journalize the cost of goods sold?
We COCG.
So cost of goods sold. What kind of coffee do we have?
Regular.
Regular, good. And then cost of goods sold supreme coffee, right? And then because we're calculating the cost of goods sold, where are we taking out from? When we updated our inventory, where did we take our coffee out from if we already used it?
I don't know. Somebody.
I'm sorry, hold on, Vina. What did you say, Vina? Yes, we take it right out of inventory. So what was my inventory that I had? What kind of coffee do we sell? Good. Regular coffee and supreme coffee. We updated our inventory, so we're going to subtract it right out from our inventory. So regular supreme coffee. And because we solved for our cost of goods sold, so how much did I sell for or used for my regular coffee?
Yeah, 65.23.
65.23. All right, and that's going to be the same amount that we take out of our inventory. All right? What about my supreme coffee? How much did I calculate for my cost of goods sold? How much did I calculate?
I didn't. Okay, I didn't hear, but I guess you need the 77.19.
Yes, good. 77.19. Good. All right. Can someone help me out with the PR? What's my account numbers? 550, 5100, 12020, 12040. All right. And what's my comment here?
Inventory.
Inventory. Okay, but how did I get rid of this coffee? How did I get rid of this coffee?
In store sale.
In store, did I sell the coffee or did I use the coffee?
Use.
So in store use. Good. I'm pressing every letter except for N. In store use. Good. All right. Now that we made an entry into the journal, what goes after the journal? All right. Step 4 of the accounting cycle.
Chart of accounts.
Not chart of accounts.
No. Um.
You go to the ledger, Nora.
Ledger.
Yes,
Thanks. I didn't.
we go to the ledger. All right, so first things first is cost of goods sold. Okay. Here we are for regular coffee. Okay. How many pounds did we use for regular coffee?
40.
40. All right, general journal number 15. And how much did it cost me to use 15 pounds? I mean 50. 40. 40.
65.23.
65.23. Bringing my grand total of pounds, or bring my grand total to be
716.3.
good. All right. Now we're going to go down to our supreme. How many pounds did we use?
Was it 41 and a half?
41 and a half. Where's my L? Okay, there you go. General journal number 15. Okay. And how much did it cost me?
77.19.
77.19, bringing me my grand total to be
731.98. What?
sorry, what was that? 767.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I
Got
got something else, but I guess you got it right.
Okay, go ahead and recalculate that. So 690.48 plus the 77.19. What do you got?
Yeah, same as you did.
Okay. All right. So now we have to go update our inventory on hand. So we go to our assets. So we're going to go to inventory. How many pounds did I use for regular coffee?
40.
40 pounds. Right? And then how much am I going to credit from my total regular coffee?
65.23.
65.23, bringing my new total to be
427.66.
okay. So you added, when we credit
We have.
something, we have to subtract it.
Okay.
So how much, especially if we used $65.23 of regular coffee, how much should I have left?
297.2.
297.2, which is exactly what we had in our inventory worksheet. Okay, last one. All right, how much Supreme coffee did I use?
41.50.
All right, and how much did it cost me to use?
77.19.
77.19. So same thing here. If I started out with 456.77 and I used up 77, how much do I have left?
379.58.
379.58, and that should match your inventory worksheet. which, yes, it does. 379.58. Right? All right, good job. Okay. All right. So, what's the next and last thing that we have to do?
Make a deposit.
Make a deposit. So here deposits, all right? So I gained 2,736 and 81 cents. So I'm going to deposit. Oop, I forgot the date from last time. So 625. 625. So now today is 626. And I'm going to deposit the whole thing for the 2,736.81. Okay. Okay, yay. Now that we're done with the 26, now it is the 27. All right. What's the first thing that we did on the 27?
You're picking on somebody else, right?
Yeah. You're done. Good job. Good job, though.
You did a great job, Nora, by the way.
Good
Okay,
job.
thanks.
All right. So who wants to take the turn next time? This time. Next. So what happened here?
It's a supermarket going for the invoice number 117.
Good. So what happened here?
First thing, we update the commission.
You want to update Albert's commission right now?
Yes.
Okay. Commissions on the subsidiary ledger. So what's the date?
27th.
27. All right. So how much is he actually getting?
It's 92.35 into 10%, 92.04.
9204, bringing his grand total of commissions to be
137.99.
137.99. Good.
So going back to the general journal, debit account receivable
Debit accounts receivable. Okay, good.
and debit unearned revenue.
So we have an accounts receivable. And yes, we are going to be debiting our unearned revenue, because Mr. Super A decided to pay us in advance. Now that today is the 27th and we're delivering it, now we have to take his advance payment and pay it towards the bill that he is being issued. Okay, so good. And we, in order to reverse unearned revenue, because we originally had it as a liability, in order to decrease a liability, we're going to debit the account. Good.
Then credit sales regular coffee,
Good.
sales supreme coffee,
Good.
sales ceramic coffee mugs,
Oop, forgot the G. All right.
and credit delivery income.
Good.
And the narration is supermarket invoice number 107.
Good. So we gotta write Super A Market. Invoice number 107. What are the terms I gave this person?
Terms 1 minute. It's supermarket. It's 1%. Then net 20.
Good. So what are my account numbers? Starting from checking?
Yes.
Starting from accounts receivable. Sorry about that.
11,000.
11,000.
26,000.
26,000 for unearned.
And 450.
450.
4,100.
4,100.
4,150.
4,150.
And 48,000.
48,000. All right. So let's go ahead and tell me what are the numbers I'm plugging in.
It's 46017 accounts receivable.
46017. Good.
And then we put that same amount to the deposits also.
Yes. Wait, why deposits? Did we receive the money yet?
Not yet, sorry.
No worries. Okay.
And it's unearned revenue for 6080.
46018. Good.
Sales regular 24675.
24675.
Supreme 21945.
21945.
And months 42415. Delivery 30.
All right. Again, I'm gonna just double check I typed that in correctly and that my debits match my credits. Okay, so both sides are 92035. Good. All right. So what comes next?
Then the ledger.
Yes. Okay. So first thing that we have is accounts receivable.
460. Yeah, the date.
Sorry, excuse me. Let me get there. Cash register. Accounts receivable. Okay, got you.
Supermarket invoice 107. And GJ 16.
We're on 16 already.
Yeah.
All right, good.
And 46017.
460. Oh, sorry. 46017.
197,455.
19751. Okay, good.
Okay, then unearned revenue, it's in the liability.
Good. Liabilities, it should be not there. Employee FICA. Utilities, it should be after utilities.
No, below that, 26,000 account number.
Yeah, right here under revenue.
So it's June 27th. Invoice 107. supermarket invoice 107. DJ16. Debit 460.80.
Oh, debit, you're right. 460.18. Bringing my
Nil position.
good to 0. Right?
Then under revenue, sales regular coffee.
All right.
It's
Oh, 27. Oh, I have to fix all those. 27.
yeah. DJ16. Sold 75. It's 246.75.
Yep, got it.
And sauce. It's 855.40.
85540. Any description?
Yes, sold 75 rupees.
Oh, I got it. I hear you now. Okay, so sold 75 pounds. Good.
And then Supreme Coffee. Sold 55. DJ16. 219.45. And 857.85.
85785. Good.
Then go to ceramic mugs.
Ceramic coffee mugs. Here we are.
27th. 85 mugs.
We sold 85 mugs.
DJ16.
GJ16.
424.15.
42415.
1396.51.
1 4. What was that?
1396.51.
13961. Okay, so are you missing something here?
1 minute is 424 above figure was ceramic mugs 7689972 I have to check that Lynn. I'll check that one.
Okay. All right, so I got 1459.42. All right, because did you miss the one that we just did earlier for the in-store sales?
Yes.
Okay.
Was in the 25th.
25th. Oh, okay.
1 minute, Lynn. I'll just it.
That's fine. Go for it.
So it's 25th, it's 6291. It's 1459.42, right? It's okay.
Good. All right. And then lastly, we have our delivery income. Here we are.
Invoice 107. GJ16. 30. 210.
$210. Good.
And then go to the subsidiary,
Subsidiary,
customers.
customers. Super A should be the third one.
So 27th,
627.
and invoice number 107,
107.
GJ16,
GJ16.
1% 10 net 20, and 7th July,
Hold on, let me expand. I don't know why I didn't automatically do it. There you go. What was the date?
7th July,
7th of July. Good. July 7.
due date 17th July,
Good.
advance pay blank,
You want to leave it blank?
yeah,
Okay.
and sales 88 90 35.
Say that again. 890. Where did you get 890?
That is the subtotal of in the invoice. That is the subtotal of this thing.
Okay, so you have to also include the advance payment, but also the delivery charge.
Yeah, then delivery has to be added to this one.
Yes. So what is 890 plus 30?
890 plus 35 is 920 35.
920.35. Yes, that is your total invoice amount. 920.35. Okay.
Then due payment is 920 35.
All right. Because he had an advance payment, his bill now, right? Because if you look at your bill, he actually only owes us amount due. Invoice amount is only 460.17. So this is where I was talking about yesterday, is that because we had to make that that advance payment, so the advance payment section would go right here. So that 460.18, right? His check for the advance payment would go right here. Then if we did our calculation correct, right? We did the invoice minus the advance payment minus the discount minus returns and allowances minus payment, it should reflect exactly what we're talking about. It should reflect whatever the bill stated, which is this 460.17. So this is what the invoice was. We subtracted out the advance payment, and now your total invoice or accounts receivable should be for 460.17. That is the correct amount. And that's how you utilize this table.
Lynn,
Yes.
in my case, what I have done was on the 24th,
Mm-hmm.
I have
You just left
paid
it
the
blank,
advance
right?
payment.
You
I
didn't do
have
the payment, huh?
I have put 460.18 under advance pay.
Uh-huh.
Then everything blank after that.
Okay.
And in the second, this 27th scenario, I have made sales of the invoice value
Mm-hmm.
and nothing, no payments other than that.
Yes. That's
So in this
completely
case
fine.
also I did the same thing.
Is it? Yes. That's exactly how, yes. That's what I originally explained in the beginning. But here, you have an advance payment. Good. So the way that you use the table is whatever makes sense to you, and you still got the same answer. So you just applied it differently. How I did it was I said that here was the advance payment. He made a payment for it. We have proof with the check number 884. And then here now I'm applying the advance payment in the advance pay. But I see what you did. That's completely correct and valid as well. You utilize the table the way again, there's multiple ways to get the same answer, and you utilize a different way. And that's correct, because you end up getting the same exact answer anyway. Okay?
Mine, I did the other way around. I mean, I just put, I just put whatever the balance, on the sales,
Mm-hmm.
because we already input that on the 24th. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever the balance and the sale was the 460.17,
Mm-hmm.
and then the payment, the say, I mean that's basically, and then you should try, and then it should be the accounts receivable
Mm-hmm.
came out the same.
Mm-hmm. So it's whatever you guys find the best way to solve to utilize the table. Again, you may not have this table. You might have a table that doesn't have advance payment. You might have a table that you have to create those things. So this is just an example of what a typical, necessary things that you may incur or encounter when you're dealing with a customer, right? You may have an advance payment. You may have a discount. You may have a returns and allowances. However you make it sense to you. Again, this is just showing you how I do it as the accountant. But if you figure out another way and you still get the same answer, props to you. All right? So good. Good. All right. So what is next? We're going to do the next part real quick and then take a quick break.
Next one is cost of goods sold under inventory. We'll let someone else to handle that.
Yeah, go for it. Who wants to calculate the cost of goods sold? Lynette, you want to do it?
Okay. The regular coffee,
Mm.
75 pounds.
Yes, we sold 75 pounds. Okay,
Okay, at 1.63073.
good. Oh,
I,
mine automatically calculated.
okay, I'll just read what you put input there. So total of 122.30. Then on the inventory,
Okay,
subtract 182.25 minus 75. 182.25 minus 75, that comes 107.25.
good. 107.25.
297.20 minus 122.30, 174.90.
174.90. Good,
There we go, with a 1.63077.
good. So it did change slightly.
A little.
Yes, good. So then what happened here in Supreme Coffee? How many pounds did we sell? Or,
75
yes,
pounds.
we sold, oh, I
27.
We sold 55 pounds. All right, now let's look. Do we have 55 pounds?
I think we still have, yeah.
Yes, we do.
So
Good.
at the cost of 186.
At a cost of 186.
Cost of 102.30.
102.30.
And goes back to the inventory on hand. 79.75 minus 55.
7975 minus 55 gives you. Did you say 7.10? 7 point.
No, 79.75 minus 55.
Mm-hmm.
So 24.75.
24.75. Good. And
Then it automatically calculates the total cost or whatever's balance, the difference there. 148.33.
is that correct? I don't think that's correct. You're supposed to update this too.
140. How much was the original? It was
I'm gonna go ahead and undo.
75 times 1.86. 46. 4603, 4604. Did I do it correctly?
Hold on. I'm looking back. So right now your inventory should be 379.58, which we did solve there. So what I did was I had to solve it this way. So 79
.75 times 1.86. That's correct. 148.33.
right, but I have to adjust it because I sold 55 pounds. So therefore 148.33 subtract out my
Okay.
102.30. I should get now 46.03 because of that 1 penny difference. So I should have a now total of 277.28. All right. And then here I sold 102.30. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our journal here. So what is my journal going to look like?
Okay. COGS.
Cost of goods sold.
Yeah. Regular coffee. Same thing. Debit COGS. Supreme coffee. Inventory. Credit regular coffee and Supreme coffee. Since we are on the screen, I'll just read the whatever, So on the Supreme coffee,
Okay.
on the Supreme coffee, COGS is 102.30. Same thing on the inventory. Credit. Sorry, I didn't write that. And regular is 122.30.
Wait.
Credit
122.30 and
oh,
102.30.
102.30 on the regular. 122.30. Same thing on credit. Regular coffee.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill this in.
5,500, 5,100, 120.20, 120.40.
All right. And then lastly, just to finish up this journal, who did I sell these to?
Supermarket market.
Good.
Invoice 107.
Okay.
Just regular because it's already shows the one.
Yeah, you already have it from above.
Yeah, it's a redundancy. That's why.
Yes. Okay. So lastly, let's go ahead and update our ledger. So my ledger. All right, I'm going to go to cost of goods sold. Regular coffee. How much did I sell?
Regular coffee is 122.30.
I think I sold 75 pounds.
75 pounds. I'm sorry.
That's fine. General Journal 15 for 122.30. Giving me a grand total of
106.30 plus 122.30, 838.60.
838.60. Good.
Down to the Supreme.
Supreme.
We sold 55 pounds. say 15?
16.
15. Is that 15 or 16?
It's
Okay.
six. It's 16.
Okay. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
And then the debit 10230. 767.67 times 869.97.
869.97. Good. And then lastly, we got to update our inventory.
This inventory.
So here's regular coffee.
And the same thing. Sold 75 pounds. Reserve 16. Credit 122.30. 20 one comes 174.90.
Where'd it go? Here it is. What was it for?
174.90.
174.90, which should match your inventory. I'm gonna double check that real quick. 174.90. Good.
And then go down to the 15. 55 pounds. I'm gonna remember. Is it 102 or 122? I'm sorry.
I think it is 122. I mean 102.
With the 222 there. 279.58 minus 102. I think was that 22? I'm not sure. Is it 102 even? I'm not sure.
102.30.
So that comes 277.28. Oh wait.
Yeah, 102.30.
102.30.
Bringing it to what?
277.28.
277.28, which that does in fact match our inventory on hand because that's what I've calculated right here. That we should have 277.28. Good. All right, let me just bring it to the front again. All right, so here we're gonna leave off right here. We just have to do the deliver to great restaurant next. So I will highlight this. And right now it is 10:23. I'll call it at 12. I mean 10.
You'll be back at 12.
No, no, no. I'll round it to 10:25, so 15 minutes from now. Is that 35? No, shoot. 25,
35, 40.
40. 10:40. Please be back.